Okay, just to follow on from the last video where we went through images, there's a few other things to go through, namely video and also stickers and gifs, if you'd like to use those in your email designs. Um, so we got our shoes here. I'm now going to pull in a video option. I'm just going to drag that above the shoes. Now, I've found a video that was hosted on StartRight, the shoe company's website, which is a YouTube video, which is great. All about checking how to fit your kids' shoes at home. Very useful stuff. So what I'm going to do is add that video URL to this message. Now you can only post in the video if it's hosted on YouTube or Vimeo. But once you've found the right video on YouTube or hosted that video on YouTube or Vimeo, then you can simply add it in to your design here. So if I was selling kids shoes rather than lady shoes, for example, I might want to have that. I'll pull this side by side row in here. What I might want to do is pull these down on, have that on one side and have the video on the other. I want to make that a little bit. You get the idea. So when it comes to the video here, I can dictate what kind of icon I want for the play button. I can select the size of the icon. I might want it to be bigger or smaller. Again, I can put padding around it. So if I want to line it up, I can push that down and line it up that way. Again, I can hide it on desktop or mobile. So that's what you can do with videos. Now, not to be content with that, what I also want to do now is put a sticker in. So if I go stickers, now these are from Giphy. So we've got stickers and we've got gifs. So search for a sticker first. Obviously these are just examples. I would never send this email in real life. I'm just showing you what you can do. So International Women's Day today. So I might want to do something about that. So let's say I put this sticker in here, Women of the World Unite. And then under that, I might want to put another GIF here. So this time I'm going to put a GIF in. Let's see. There we go. Not sure who that is, which seems quite excited. So I've got a GIF sticker here. Again, just like all of these things, I can change the size of it. So if I want to turn that off, I can change the size of it there. If it's too big, I'm going to adjust that accordingly. And I can do the same here with this GIF. Again, just change it. I want it to be bigger or smaller. And that's what you can do with GIFs and stickers and videos. So as you can tell, email is not just about dropping images in. You can do a heck of a lot more with it these days. So I'm just going to move these around so they look a little bit neater and get rid of this row. And we'll have some semblance of order with this hodgepodge. But at the very least, you now know what is capable in terms of what tools you've got within Websand to create the messages that you want to for your audience. Save that design. Job done. Hope you found this video useful. If you'd like help to grow your e-commerce business through email marketing, we'd love to help. So please get in touch or sign up for a 14-day free trial websand.co.uk.